This segment is for the song Spring, measures 92 to the end. It's when the birds enter, because Frog has said, listen to the birdies sing. So your tweets, starting with measure 92. Kelly, this is your note. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Tweet, 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 let's greet the spring. Let's greet the spring. It's spring. And your next note is spring. Brittany? Tweet, 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 let's greet the spring. Let's greet the spring. It's spring. And your next note is F sharp. Spring. Ashley. Tweet, 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 let's greet the spring. Let's greet the spring. It's spring. And you'll hold that for a long time. Take a deep breath and sing it again, please. Spring. At the end, it will have this. Spring. Kelly, Brittany. Okay, thanks.